Hey, it's T Marie. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing a silk press at home. So sometimes you just don't want to go to the salon, or sometimes we just ain't got the money to do it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do your silk press at home and get the same results that you'll get at the salon. So stay tuned. I just washed my hair. I did not apply any product. You don't want anything heavy on your hair when you're doing a silk press. So I'm going in with the silk blowout. This is from Organics. I'll link these products down below. I absolutely love this. This is my first time using this product and it made my results so worth it. If your hair is thick like mine, you'll probably be doing the same process. I part it in 4 sections and then I go through with my blow dryer and blow my hair out. Make sure you're detangling your hair really good. This is just gonna make the blow drying process so much easier. And also, while you're here, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. The key to a really good silk press is to part your hair in small sections and use a really good flat iron. The flat iron that I'm using for this video is titanium, and I got it from Target, if you don't know what I mean. I'll link it down below. It is absolutely amazing. So I don't want to wear my hair bone straight. I want some body and volume. So I'm going in with the flat iron and just adding just some little curls or whatever, just to give it a little bit more life. I'm adding a small amount of the coconut milk. This is also from Organics. This will help with some extra shine, and this is a very lightweight product. I'm gonna take my wise tooth comb and brush that hair back. Yes, look at that volume. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, And also, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.